I'm taking one now. I'll just answer the last question first.
Okay.
Yes, vacate means you are taking something away from doing something else. So I just call, what most people would call vacation. I call it entertainment, education. It's all of it.
Mm-hmm.
Anything that you're doing, you're vacating. Some people somebody coined a term recently called staycation.
Yes.
Meaning you stay right where you are.
Mm-hmm.
Why? Because you're doing what you need to be doing, and you're enjoying what you're doing right where you happen to be. Now, somebody else might, hold up a sign saying, come to this place or come to that place, and vacate that place that you are, and come and fill the place where I want you to go. And I have some amenities here for you. And you can, get some, and this is not to impugn anybody and whatnot, but I often give the illustration of the person who says, I'm going to Florida, and I'm going to get some Florida sunshine. And I have sometimes, in talking about the compensatory code, I say, now let's look at the logic of that, because everything in compensatory concept is about logic. I say, okay, well, let's just ask questions, because everything is resolved by questions and answers.
Yes, sir.
Or made clear. So what's the difference between Florida sunshine and sunshine that you get in South Carolina if it's 80 degrees in Florida and 80 degrees in South Carolina while you're on your way to Florida? But you say that I'm now in South Carolina, you're on your cell phone, you're in your drop-top convertible, and you say, hey, I'm heading for Florida now, but I'm in South Carolina. But as soon as I get to Florida, I'm going to be getting some Florida sunshine. Now, but here you're practically burning up, because it might be 85 or 90 degrees in South Carolina. Now, of course, the sun is beaming down on you while you're going down the highway. So it's just a matter of, what are you going to Florida for? What are you really going to Florida for? And what is the difference between Florida sunshine and South Carolinian sunshine when the temperature is about the same and you're getting the same amount of sunshine?
Yes, sir.
So are you really looking for something else other than that? And so only the person who is doing it should be able to explain what that means.